Sir Toto Garcia. Yay!
Hindi naman yung pilas niyan.
Look at the camera po. Picture po. For our fourth rose, may I call on Sir Justin Yaplan. Daming fans si Sir Justin. Ito po ba ay pamangkin daw? Hindi sa camera yan. Ang galing sumayo ni Tito. Sanay na sanay. For our fifth rose, let's move on. May call on Sir Ariel Victoria. Once again, Mr. Ariel Victoria for our fifth rose. Aba, may change position.
Kaya magsewa-sewa niya.
Ayan, iniikot pa si Tita, oh. Grabe naman. Nag-ballroom talaga. Picture po. And for our last and our sixth rose, last but not the least, may I call on Sir Lorenzo Fajardo. Partner of Tita Chona. Ay, kiss daw! Very sweet. Wow. Palakpakan naman natin. Sir Lorenzo Fajardo and Tita Chona. Tito, kalma mo lang, Tito. Kalma lang. Mamaya gabi pa yan, Tito.